You gotta use the spoon, buddy. The spoon in your hand. You washing your hands in soy milk? Oh, good job.
Es halt immer noch ein bisschen effizienter so. That's another option.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Hopla. Oh. I know, the camera. You're gonna get a big oop. Oh, you got some. Very good. Oh! You only dropped half of them this time. Oh no, they're down there, huh? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Whoa!